Using Canva for our businesses is something that we do every day, but sometimes it's really nice just to sit back, relax, and create something for ourselves. So today we're going to be using watercolour elements to create a piece of artwork. It's a lovely, calming, relaxing element, and I'm sure you're going to love it. So what you can either do is go for an A4 template, which is quite nice and big, or we can create a custom size. We can go to 5,000 by 5,000 pixels. That is the biggest you can go to in Canva. I'm going to go for 3,000 by 250 and just create a nice big template for myself. Then over in the elements section, I'm just typing in watercolour. Now I would suggest typing watercolour spelled C-O-L-O-U-R, but also C-O-L-O-R, because Canva is Australian, so you'll get a lot of different spellings of words. I'm going to change the colour of my background. I'm going to go for a nice green because I'm going to create a natural, nature-inspired piece of artwork. So type in watercolour and you will find there'll be a lot of videos and there'll be a lot of images, all watercolour based, but we are looking for the graphics. Now, I love this one. I absolutely love this. Beautiful trees. I'm going to use that. I'm also going to use this one just to give it some depth and a different style of tree in my design. I'm also going to use, oh, there's so many lovely ones. I love this little blue bird. I'm going to have a small blue bird flying between the trees. And I'm looking for this one here. Isn't he magnificent? I'm going to have him standing. I could have some more trees if I wanted. These are more shrub or bush-like ones. I could have them near the front. And it's just a case of going through, looking at all of the different elements. There's so many of them. And picking out ones that just draw you in. There's lots of different colours, lots of different styles. There are some really, really lovely, amazing designs. Just looking for this one here. This is gorgeous. You could add this as a background and just add something simple on top. Now I quite like, let me see if I can find him. I'm just going to add one simple element to this, just to bring out that beautiful tree. Now, can I find him? I think he was somewhere near the top. My tip in Canva is when you find an element that you like, go up to the eye and add it to your likes, or you can add it to a folder. I'm just going to have a bird flying through. So it doesn't take a lot. Now this is nice. I love this mist look. Maybe adding too many elements, but I love this. I'm going to add that to the back. There we go. Just trying to find a place for your trees, for your elements. Where do they fit? Where do they work? Okay, I could play with this all day. Okay, I'm going to stop there. Okay, so there we have a very quickly watercolour element inspired artwork, I suppose you could say. I've just used deer, I've used some tree elements, I've used a bird element, and then that beautiful cloud element in the background. I really like that. That's just given the sky and the background so much more texture. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed that. Check out watercolor elements, create yourself a 3000 by 2500 template, or you could go for an A4 if you prefer more an upright design, and just experiment. Add some elements in, change the sizes to give yourself depth, and yeah, create a very natural, calming watercolor inspired artwork in Canva.